Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning in to Bully Kid. Wonderful to have you here on this beautiful Friday morning. Today is a special day because I'm going to be talking to you guys about my first YouTube paycheck from above. It finally happened. Never, ever have I thought I was going to get paid by Google, and here we are. So stay tuned and I'll give you all the information. You can't just be jumping during my videos. Don't do it. Why are you jumping, man? Dog, I'm trying to film. I did it. I finally beat the new partnership program. So, as you guys know, before the new update, you had to have 10,000 views in order to start getting monetized. And in February of 2018, they finally changed that, and you need 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of view time over a 12 previous month period. So we never thought this was going to happen. We thought we were just going to get demonetized, never reach our minimum threshold bracket of $100. For those of you who don't know, YouTube wants you to make at least $100 before they give you your first paycheck. So for the smart ones, you guys already know I made at least $100. But where's the top? 500, 1,000, 10,000? Where is the top for YouTube? Well, that all depends on you, how you perform, and what you bring out there to the audience, because people are making a killing on YouTube, guys. So don't give up. Anyway, I gotta cut this video short because I'm gonna be going to the Lamborghini dealership real quick with my boy Roy. We're gonna picking up a new car. Got that paycheck, so you know what else can we do? Go big. I'm just kidding, guys. It's not that easy. Come on. So I've been registered on YouTube for quite some time. I posted a random video here and there. Slowly those videos got some views, so it was easier for me to get monetized later on when I actually did want to start doing YouTube and being more consistent and having some kind of topic on the channel, which is, as you guys know, for the most part, my vehicle. First, Google sent me this little thing here, which I was really excited about. Google AdSense. Comes with a PIN number here where they will deposit your money. I chose a direct deposit method of payment. So right here, I'm going to do a screenshot of the payment here I got from Google, which is pretty cool to see Google depositing money to your bank account. I wonder if I could put that on my resume that I work with Google now. That would be pretty nice as well. Anyway, guys, as you can see, I met the threshold of over $100. They paid me out. I made around $110, which isn't bad by no means, but is it worth it? The content creators say don't do it for the money, and they're absolutely right. The amount of time you put in filming, editing, planning is totally not worth the small amount of money you guys just saw that I got paid. Granted, I am learning right now, so everything's taking a longer time. Learning curve is longer, but you can't live off this kind of paycheck. Not in the beginning again, so don't quit your day job, guys. Don't. So I'm going to talk to you guys about the business aspect of YouTube. Obviously, you're generating some income before your threshold payment. So I started my expenses for the microphones, the different lighting setup, the tripods. And I'm not trying to spend more that I know I'm already earning from YouTube. And that's very important because I'm treating it as a business mentality. Income versus expenses equals profit. So I know some of you guys start YouTube, go big, get the $2,000 camera, get the $500 mic, get the stabilizers for those cinematic shots, but that's just not in my peripheral right now, and I'm trying to take it slow and build my way up there as I'm gaining profit as well. However, now I am demonetized. I'm not making any money, but I'm not stopping my videos because I feel like I really started to like doing this and it's interesting, and I'm increasing my knowledge on video and audio as well, so that's pretty cool. Otherwise, you can never just put all your faith in your employer. Things happen, people get laid off, you get fired, and then you're SOL. through YouTube, people recognize you, they know who you are, and you can't just get fired from YouTube because people will always know you and you will have a place in your field of specialty. So this YouTube channel was all made possible by an iPhone 6, experimenting with different external audio mics, a cheap eBay tripod, a wide angle lens, and Filmora editing software. My advice to small YouTubers is don't give up, stay consistent, try to improve whatever you do. Do a lot of research on YouTube. There's so many videos of people showing you how to film, how to edit, best audio setup, best lighting setup, and just go with what you can afford and try to improve yourself, your filming, your editing, your delivery, and you will grow. Your channel will grow over time, and before you know it, you will get paid as well. I mean, I only did this up to now. I have 100 subscribers, and I bet you half of those subscribers I forced to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't ask me why. That's a story for a different topic. Alright guys, well I gotta get going. Duty calls. Don't forget to please subscribe if you haven't already. Click the like, click the bell icon, and stay tuned for more videos. Hopefully, if everything goes right, we'll get our second paycheck from YouTube.
Hey bro, hold on, don't go yet. I just wanted to tell...
Who are you? What are you doing here?
Oh, my name is Greg. I'm from the Bay, you know what I'm saying? Hey, but I just wanted to tell you, I'm a subscriber. I watch all your videos every time. I got the bell icon and everything.
Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate it, man. That's what I'm talking about. Another subscriber came to visit me.
Yeah, keep making videos, man. You should make videos every day. I'd watch it. I ain't got no job. Alright, man. Take care. Alright, man. Keep posting. Don't give up. You real good at it. Alright, brother?
Thank you, guys. I love when subscribers come up to me and tell me how much they like enjoying my videos.